Along with the keys to the White House and the nuclear codes, President Trump is handing off the U.S. economy to soon-to-be President Joe Biden. Our Steve Leisman has a look at what that handoff looks like. Steve.
Good morning, David. Yeah, President-elect Biden inherits an economy in a deep hole. Actually worse than when he came in as vice president in 2009, but with high hopes for a rebound brought on by a new round of fiscal stimulus and the promise of vaccines. Putting this handoff in context, when President Bush left office, the economy had lost 4.3 million jobs in the prior 12 months. Obama handed Trump an economy that had gained 2.5 million jobs. The Trump handoff to Biden, an economy beset by the virus and lockdowns that has shed 9.4 million jobs. Job losses would deepen for more than a year after Obama took office, but would never get as bad as they are right now. The hope now, the combination of massive monetary and fiscal stimulus, along with the vaccine, will avoid a long subpar recovery. In fact, the latest CNBC rapid update of GDP forecast shows growth ticking up, or estimates ticking up substantially compared to a month ago, and that comes after President-elect Biden announced his $1.9 trillion stimulus. The big turnaround is expected in the second and third quarters, with the average GDP forecast at 7.4 and 8.1% respectively. That's not the chart we want to see right there, with the other one we'll get up later. Some forecasters like Goldman Sachs and Barclays see double-digit China-like growth in the second quarter. Now, for the full year, put it all together, an estimated GDP growth off minus 3.3% in 2020, expected to give way to 5.7% this year, still above average trend, near 4% in 2022. The challenge for Biden, with so much fiscal money now directed to the recovery, he could be limited by deficit concerns to enact new policies and programs. And he'll need the private sector to step up and take the reins of growth in a big way, because the fiscal and even monetary stimulus in a year will likely be rolling off. David?
Yeah, Steve, I think, it's funny. I think you have a chart that you'd like to show us, and it goes to the question that I have that you referenced right at the beginning of your report, which is, so how does this look from the last handoff from a Republican to a Democratic administration in terms of growth or lack thereof?
Well, so 2008, we saw the first decline in growth, and that deepened in 2009, and it got better in 2010. You look at what happened when Obama handed off to Trump. You had subpar or potential growth giving way to better growth in 2017. And then you can see this minus 3% expected, and then giving way to something like 5.7%, David, is the estimate for this year, as all that fiscal stimulus works its way through.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.